Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable Wi-Fi on SJCAM SJ8 PRO. Wi-Fi is used for connection between your phone and the camera, and it can be enabled or disabled. When it's disabled, it basically saves battery. So if you want to do it, you can simply slide down from the top of the screen, then you'll have Wi-Fi. You can click on it. When it's white, it's off. When it's red, it's on. And also you'll have this little indicator when it's on. You can also change its frequency by going to settings, then Wi-Fi frequency, and change it to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. 5 GHz is faster, but is less compatible with some older phones. It may not work, and also works at lower distances. The 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz works at higher distances. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.